So, I've had a couple of students ask me, "Hi, Elsie, what do I really mean by the present perfect?" Here, the present perfect tense. So, today, I'll give you what that means. Hi there, my name is Elsie. I'm an English tutor with a degree in communications. If you're looking to improve your conversation skills or academic reading, speaking, listening, writing, grammar, vocabulary, then this channel is right for you. All right, let's get right into it. The present perfect tense. We use the present perfect tense to describe things, events, occurrences, happenings that started in the past and probably continues to the present or recently just stopped. Get me right. An event that started in the past and continues till now, or it recently has just started. So these are the cases we use the present perfect tense. For example, I have lived here for 5 years. This means 5 years ago, I moved to this country. I started living here. 2 years ago, I was still living here. And right now, today, I am still living here. For example, let's compare it with the past simple. I lived there for 5 years. It means I am no longer living there. I live there. It means I no longer live there. But when we say I have lived here, it means till now this event is still going on, or it probably has just stopped. Those has a relationship with the present. So these are cases we use the present perfect tense. Another example, I have known him for 2 years, or I have known him since childhood. It means right from childhood until now, I have known Jack. Until now, he's still my friend. I still know him. All right. Okay, so that's it today on the present perfect tense. My name is Essie. Visit my website to book a session with me. www.englishwithasitasher.com. I look forward to meeting you.